In this video, I will show you how to deposit money into your Wealthsimple account. First, open the Wealthsimple app. From the home screen, tap on the account that you want to deposit money into. This could be your investing account, TFSA, RRSP, or cash account. Once you're inside the account, look for the Add button and tap it. Now, tap From. Here, you'll see all the linked bank accounts. If your bank is already linked, simply select it. If you want to link additional bank account, tap the small Add button. Follow the on-screen steps to connect your bank. You can also choose Interact e-Transfer instead. After selecting where the money is coming from, you will see a Today button. Tap this if you want to schedule a deposit in the future. Besides that, you'll see Doesn't Repeat. Tap it if you want the deposit to repeat automatically. Wealthsimple currently offers weekly, bi-weekly, and monthly recurring deposits. Tap Next at the bottom. Now, enter the amount you want to deposit. Wealthsimple allows instant deposits. Your instant deposit limit will be shown below the amount field. For example, mine is $12,000. Instant deposits let you invest your money right away. The funds will be withdrawn from your bank account in few business days, so make sure you have enough money available. Tap Next. On the confirmation screen, review all the deposit details carefully. Make sure everything looks correct. Then tap Submit. The money will be available instantly for you to invest. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, like the video and subscribe for more Wealthsimple tutorials.